September 11th events continued here in Hawaii at Honolulu Community College. Faculty and students held a commemoration next to a memorial dedicated back in 2006 to all those who lost their lives in the attacks. Those who were in New York and Washington at the time talked about what it was like to feel so helpless.
In trying to put into words how I felt that day and what happened that day, basically it came down to three things: that sense of shock at first, the sense of loss, and then the outpouring of compassion that we all showed to each other.
Students at HCC's Fire Science program helped lead a moment of silence. The school also inherited actual pieces of the World Trade Center, the Pentagon roof, and soil from Shanksville, Pennsylvania.